Still juggling standards by hand? Let's shrink that 2-hour task to 2 minutes. In the next 2 minutes, you'll see how Verbis Chat ingests mixed format documents, links the clauses, and hands you a clean comparison plus a CSV. No macros, no code. Drag everything in. Old scans, PDFs, Word originals, even images. Verbis auto-runs OCR and slices each doc into logical chunks. Under the hood, Verbis Chat tags each heading, number, and unit. It maps synonyms, so maximum residual torque equals retention load. New additions tuck into the same node so you can flip between years. Just ask in plain language. Verbis Chat grabs the right clauses, ranks them, and shows the answer with live citations. Need to report upstream? With just one click you can export a structured CSV. If you want a deeper cut, just refine the question, no re-upload needed. On mobile you can just dictate, show any spec stricter than 2% shrink. The answer lands right in chat, and yeah, it works in multiple languages. That's it. Mixed formats, shifting terms, instant comparison. Go ahead and grab the sample workspace below and see if Verbis Chat saves you a spreadsheet headache.